Nothing better than starting a trip out to CVS with all of this. Okay, so I'm going to be pairing 2 hair care deals together to maximize my savings. First, I'm going to be getting 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $1 back in extra care bucks. And I am going to be using one of the $4 off 2 paper coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not. I'm also going to be getting 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $8, and there is a $2 instant coupon printing at the coupon center. So here's the instant coupon. And I'm also going to be using one of the $4 off 2 coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. Okay, so here is everything that I'm going to be getting on this transaction. Okay, so I'm going to be pairing my coupons and CRTs with a $3 off 12 hair care CRT that I have on my card. If you have the $3 off 12 or the $3 off 15, you're going to pay only $2 out of pocket, and then you're going to get $1 back in extra care bucks, meaning you're only going to pay $1 for all 4 of these, or 25 cents each. Okay, so while I was waiting in line, I decided I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more to this transaction. My total out of pocket was going to be $2, and I was going to be getting back $1. But I don't have $2 in extra care bucks, so we're going to go ahead and add to this deal a little bit. The Garnier products are buy 2, get $5 back in extra care bucks. And I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to test this out. I have a $2 off Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water on my card that was attaching to the Micellar wipes. I also have a $3 off Garnier CRT, and I have these $2 off Garnier Skincare Cleanser. So I'm going to try this out and see if it works. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, so here is my updated cart. I'm going to head to the register and see how this goes. Okay, I am so excited to be at CVS today, everybody. There are some really great deals going on, and you don't want to miss out. So, on this transaction, I got 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner, and 2 of the Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. And then my total was only going to be $2 out of pocket, and then I'd get $1 back in extra care bucks for the whole blends. I did not have a $2 extra care buck, so I went ahead and tried out a deal with the Garnier skincare wipes, and it went amazing. So I bought 2 of the Garnier skincare wipes. One of them, I think, was the Micellar wipes. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. And one of them was the refreshing cleansing wipes. As for my coupons, I had a $2 off Garnier cleansing coupon and another $2 off Garnier cleansing coupon. I had $4 off for the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, $4 off for the Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. My $3 off digital L'Oreal coupon came off. My $3 off 12 hair care came off. $3 off Garnier skincare came off. $2 off Garnier skincare came off. And then another $2 off for the mystery coupon for the L'Oreal, Garnier, and Maybelline. So, I gave her $5 in extra care bucks. My total was 38 cents. Total savings, 99%. I got back $5 in extra care bucks for the Garnier, And I got back $1 in extra care bucks for the whole blends, making this a money maker. I'm so excited, everybody. I can't wait to go do a couple more transactions. I will see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so we're going to be getting 4 of the Love and Beauty shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to try the hemp seed oil ones. You're going to use 2 of the buy one get one free coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not, and you're going to be using a $4 off 18 hair care CRT or a $3 off 12 or $3 off 15, whichever you have. At my store, these are $9.29 each with the buy one get one free coupon and the $4 off 18 CRT. I'm going to be paying $14.58 out of pocket, but I'm going to get back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $20, and then another $3 in extra care bucks for hitting the beauty. So I'm going to be paying $1.48 for all 4 of these. That is an amazing deal. Okay, so here is my receipt for the 4 Love and Beauty shampoo and conditioner. To use all of my extra care bucks, I ended up having to buy a pack of gum as well. But I used 2 of the buy one get one free coupons. Also, the $1.50 digital coupon came off. My $4 off 18 hair care coupon came off. And then I paid the $14 with extra care bucks. So my total was 57 cents. I did save 99%. And I already tore off the extra care bucks, but I did get $10 back in extra care bucks for spending $20 on the Love and Beauty, and that was a really good deal. Now, this digital coupon I don't think is supposed to be coming off, so if you want to take advantage of this deal, you may want to hurry. I don't know how long that's still going to be attaching with the paper coupons, but there you go.